Hello ladies, welcome back to Dama. Let's say you are getting ready for an event and your hair are not done and you have no idea what to do with your hair. So for that, you are watching the right video. You all must have watched these videos for hairstyles according to different dresses. These videos for hairstyle guide has been viewed by millions on Douyin. What I noticed is that all these hairstyles look good with wavy hair. So today I found this hair tutorial by Laotan on Douyin. Laotan is known for her hair and styling tips across China with over 600,000 followers on Douyin. If you want to keep yourself updated with latest styling trends, her account is worth checking out. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The importance of wavy hair for all these hairstyles is simply undeniable. You just need to follow the step-by-step guide, and the curls you'll get are absolutely gorgeous. If you curl your hair daily, I recommend using a curling iron with fluorine ions. It has a sparkling coating that makes your hair shiny after curling and prevents damage. I'll drop the link of this curler in description box. Hairstyle number 1. Step 1. Prepare your hair. Divide your hair into 2 layers, upper and lower. Then, split the remaining hair into 2 sides. Step 2. Start curling. Here's how to curl your hair. It's very simple. Open the curling iron, position the clip forward and press it onto a strand of hair. Wrap the strand around the curling iron, grabbing the last little bit of hair yourself. Be careful not to burn your ears. Hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, then carefully place the curl in your palm without letting it fall apart. And this way you'll have your curl. The curling iron's front has a heat-resistant design, so even if you place it in your palm, it won't be too hot. Finally, curl the ends of your hair slightly. This creates a beautiful, natural curl. For shoulder-length hair like hers, curling each side 3 times is enough. Step 3. Style the curls. After curling them all, bring your hair together, flip it out slightly. If one side looks frizzy, separate it into 2 sections and curl again. When curling, hold your hair upright and position the curling iron on top for better results. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, cool the curl in your palm, and continue section by section. Once one side is complete, flip it out gently. Repeat the same process on the other side. After curling the whole head, don't comb it out immediately. Step 4. Curl the top layer. While the bottom cools, start curling the top layer. Flip it to the other side, hold it briefly, and you'll see a nice curve forming. Repeat the same for the other side and the bangs. This curling iron is perfect for styling tricky sections like bangs, making it effortless. And just like that, we've completed a basic hairstyle. Once curled, your hair will look shiny and beautiful. Hairstyle 2, a voluminous half-up style. Take a section of hair from the top and split it into 2. Create a hole in the middle, flip the hair through it from back to front and pull it tight. Then, take hair from behind your ears and pull it up to the tight section. Now, you'll have 2 sections of hair. Pull the back section through the hole and tighten it. If it doesn't feel high enough, use a small clip underneath for elevation. This hairstyle adds volume at the top, perfect for pairing thicker jackets. For the best results, curl your hair before creating this style. The layers will have lovely curves. Hairstyle 3, a princess look. Take a section of hair from the top and split it into 2. Wrap the front piece around the back, adding small sections of hair as you go. Continue wrapping until you reach behind your ears. Leave the front bangs out and secure the wrapped sections with a thin hair tie. Loosen the tied section slightly to create a soft curve at the top. Repeat on the other side, and the princess hairstyle is done. Isn't it super simple? Hairstyle 4, a gentle half-up style. Pull the hair behind your ears back and tie it with a hair tie. Adjust the sides for balance, and just like that, a gentle half-up hairstyle is complete. Did you all learn these simple and beautiful hairstyles? Let me know which one is your favorite.